Everyone, welcome back. This is another plan with me. This is in my Hobonichi and this is for my wellness planner. I love this planner. I'm really getting used to it now and it has really made my life a lot easier keeping track of everything that's going on physically, mentally, emotionally, all of that. And so I am using this kit from the Crafty Student. It's a Mother's Day kit since next Sunday is going to be Mother's Day, and so I thought this would be the perfect kit. It's beautiful. It has nice full boxes, the weekend banner, bottom washi, the days, 3 heart checklists, half boxes, quarter boxes, marquee, habit trackers. I mean, it has everything. So I'm a little excited about that. Today is I'm actually filming this a little bit earlier in the week, so don't mind that this is what my week's looking like so far. So let me take my planner out and let's get started. I'm excited that next week is going to be Mother's Day. It's awesome to be able to celebrate your mother and to celebrate being a mother if you are, whether you are a mother of humans or four-legged babies. Everyone should be celebrated. So that's just my belief. It's hard being a mom. So hard. I'm gonna flip this around. I'm gonna take this out too. That was for last week's. And don't forget, if you put your stickers on your hand first and peel up a little bit, it'll be easier to peel them up if you need to. If you put them down crooked like I normally do all the time. But yes, welcome. If this is the first time you've ever been here, this is for my wellness planner. I track, let's see, how do I want to do this? Do I want to do it like this? I think I'll put the date down first. I track my mental well-being, my physical well-being, everything. So I'm going to do them this way. But anyway, I track a little bit of everything. I track my diet, my moods, you know, how I feel. I track the weather because I feel the weather affects your moods. My habits, listen to me. My weekly habits are things that I need to be doing weekly, which would be like taking my medicine, washing my face, you know, taking care of myself. So my weigh-ins, all of that. And this little planner's been helping me a lot. It's keeping me on track, making me write my stuff down. So keeping me honest. And I know that y'all are watching, so y'all can keep me honest as well. Last week I was having a pretty bad week, and if I made it bad for y'all by saying I was having a bad week, I'm so sorry. Just was kind of stating how I feel, since this is my wellness planner. It was just a rough week, and I'm trying to do better this week and not have such a rough emotional week. Though lots have happened near my state. We had the shooting this last week, and unfortunately we had 2 that did not make it. I believe only 2. I'm praying only 2. I'm using the Simply Gilded for the top. I thought it was beautiful and a perfect match. Who doesn't like bows and flowers together? But anyway, not to bring anybody down, but yeah, so please pray for those families that did have victims in the shooting. And I think everybody's a victim that went to the school and who is related to them and who is related to the person that did it. Nobody wants that to happen. So I'm going to use my trusty little nail file. It seems to work really well. So I'm going to put the top one on here, and then we can get started on the meat of it. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, by the way. Celebrate yourselves and celebrate each other. Do y'all have any plans for Mother's Day? I plan on staying on track with my diet, so hopefully, I don't know what my children have planned for me, if they even have anything planned. You know, I'm a mom of boys, so just saying, you know, it is what it is. Okay, so let's get started on the things that I normally do, and then I will decorate here in a minute. I have these from Cheerful Planner Girl. They help with the lines across. Haven't decided yet if I'm going to use those this time or not, but I am definitely using these. These are from Peppermint Planner, and they are the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It just helps me to stay on track with mine. If I write it down, then I don't know why I try to do this without tweezers, y'all. If I write it down, then I tend to stay honest with myself, truthfully. So do I want to use two different colors though? I don't know if I have enough. I might just use these two different rose colors here. But yeah, I love that she made these breakfast, lunch, and dinners. They make my life so much easier. And I've been finding a lot more recipes, so I think that's helping me out too. For anybody that hasn't watched one of my videos before, I'm doing keto, and I know everybody has a feeling about every diet out there, but I usually don't tell what I'm doing because I don't like any negative feedback on anything, but I'm being honest and free with y'all, so about everything. And this last week, I have not cheated one time. I stayed on track so far, and I'm praying that the scales will show that. It's hard when you see people and they're like showing, oh, this first week I lost 10 pounds. No, that doesn't happen for everybody. And I thought because I had a little bit more weight to lose and that it would come off a little bit quicker, but that's not the case. So, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. Wanted to show you these. I got these from the Crafty Student. It's my macro trackers. So I'm going to start doing that as well. They're a little bit on the big side. So I think what I'm going to do is, that just does not give me enough room to write. So let me do this. Let me put this on my skin really quickly here. So I can put this down, and then I have my weather trackers from Plan and Go, and I do have a code for her, and I went ahead and wrote everything down. So Monday is sunny and 60 and 80, so let's see if these fit with it. Oh yeah, okay. So this can work. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to put the macros all the way down, and then the weather. there's that. And again, the Crafty Student and Plan and Go, and I do have a code for the Plan and Go. I do have my mood tracker, and so I guess I'm running out of those too. So I'm just going to use this blue one, and I'm just going to put it right next to those. Perfect. And then right here up in the corner, I'm going to put one of these. I got these from Plan and Go as well. They each have 8 little petals on them, and I'm using those to track my water intake. So I'm just going to put it right here up in the corner. That works out cute, and it makes it look cute. It's just something different, something fun. Put those down, and then that one down. All right, those are from Plan and Go. Let's see what she has here. She has, so I do want to do this on the days, well, Saturday, Sunday I don't do anything, but like Friday, I do pick up groceries. So I'm going to put that right there. These are from the Crafty Student as well. On Thursday, I order the groceries, and then on Wednesday I do menu plan. Now this one's going to be a little bit longer, but it'll be okay. Okay, so there's my menu plan. Those are from Plan and Go. And then away on Fridays, so let me put another little, let's see what color Fridays I have. Since I'm gonna do this and put like a little way in, right there. And those are from You and Me stickers. And on right here next to the mood trackers, I'm gonna use these. They're from, it's Nixie, and it's Never Give Up. And these are from Cheerful Planner Girl, and I love her. And I do have a code for her, and it will be down in the description below. Let's see, on Sunday, I am gonna use Nixie on here too. I'm gonna put her down here. Well, I can put her right here. It is her meal prep. And I do a lot of meal preps on Sunday. Sorry, those were getting in my way. So I do meal preps on Sunday, so that works out good. Trying to decide on, I got 2 habit trackers. So I'm going to use these over here. Well, really want it on the, I'm gonna flip it, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, one there. I'm just gonna keep it flipped. One here. Okay. So I got water, 2 of my trackers. One is for my makeup, one is for like writing down, I'm sorry. lost my mind right there for just a second. So I will fill those in. I really want to use these two for a change. I don't ever get to put in like the full boxes, what they call the full boxes. Let me do this a little bit different here. I can do it without ripping. Come on, please, 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 please don't rip. Oh, it ripped a little bit. Nope. Come down just a little bit, crick. There we go. There. And do that. Got her down. I do need to give myself a goal. Did not remember to put that one down, but I do like goals, so let's move. This is what happens when you don't put it on your skin first, so I might not be able to do that. Might be able to move the weigh in down though. Some stickers just come up a little bit easier than others. So let's just put the gold down first. So we're just going to put the weigh in right down here. There. That'll work. And I will just use something else there. I think that's pretty much it this time, guys. I do have these. These are from Stardust Stickies, sticker company. No, it says Stardust Stickers, excuse me. And I thought Mom Life would be appropriate for this. So I am going to put this up here at the top for Mom. There we go. And then also right here, I got these from Peppermint Planner, and it is Mother's Day right here on this one. And I'm just gonna put it, where do I wanna put it? I'll just put it here and just make sure I write really small that day. How's that? All right, that is it. I am done, and I will be filling it out, and I'll be letting you see it as soon as I get it going. I'm gonna put that up there. That's from Plan & Go as well. Also, check out the Planner Girls United Collab May 10th through the 13th. A lot of great shops are in there, and a lot of my great friends and shop owners. So you're not gonna wanna miss this. I hope that you all have an awesome, blessed week. I hope you guys get to enjoy each other on Sunday, next Sunday for Mother's Day, and I hope to see you back here real soon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that bell button and add me to PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.